Okay, so here we have the new Sturmey Archer 8-gear hub. The model number is X-RK8 W in brackets, and we've got a serial number here as well, which is IKA4_0220. Now the problem that I'm having with it is it was a replacement for, I believe, the older version, as my dealer told me, and the older version was completely silent, whereas this one makes a horrible noise. Let me demonstrate. So this is first gear here, right? First gear is silent, right? Just as I expect this to be. Now listen to this. If I switch this into second gear, the noise starts happening. Okay, so the higher I switch this, the louder it'll get. Yeah, third gear. Fourth gear. There we go, fifth gear. It's more horrible by the minute. Sixth gear. Seventh gear. And here we go for final eighth gear. Okay, that can't be right, can it? Tell me everybody, tell me, anybody.